Let's look at this problem that involves factoring by grouping. We have u squared plus 3u plus 9u cubed plus 27q. Now, in this course, anytime you see four terms like that, think factor by grouping. And you told me that you group the first two, and then you group the second two. Okay, let's approach it that way. Look at the first two and what factor is in common between u squared and 3u. Well, there's a u in common, so we factor out the u. When I take u out of u squared, that leaves a u. When I take a u out of 3u, that leaves a 3. Now, if you want to use your distributive property to check yourself, u times u is u squared, u times 3 is 3u. All right, bring down the plus sign. And now on the other pair, what do we have in common? Well, 9 and 27, the greatest common factor is the 9. And then they both have a q, so we'll factor out a 9q. All right, from this first term, we have a u left because 9q times u is 9u cubed. And when I factor the 9q out of 27q, I have only a 3 left because 9q times 3 is 27q. Okay, now look at what you've got. Now you have a common factor, which is in fact a binomial. So we're going to factor out the binomial, so we'll pull the u plus 3 out. All right, when we take the u plus 3 out of the first term, we are left with only the u. So u times u plus 3 is u plus 3 times u. All right, when we take it out of the second term, all we have is the 9q. So when we factor u squared plus 3u plus 9u cubed plus 27q, we get u plus 3 times u plus 9q. All right, let's check this. So we'll check it by foiling. We have u plus 3 times u plus 9q. All right, first is u squared. Outside is 9q uq. Inside is 3u. And last is 27q. Now the order is changed, but you see that we have the same four terms. So we have checked it, and the factored form is u plus 3 times u plus 9q.